So I'm gonna start the reassembly of the head, and since it's already completed and cleaned, just gotta put it together. Man, I just repeated what I said. What the hell? Okay, anyways, well, I'm gonna use engine assembly lube to get it together. Bought this out of Riley's. I think, if I remember correctly, like $7. I'm just gonna put some lube here where each of the little lifters go. That way I can set them all in and put the rock arms on top. Yes. Followed by the cams and then the cam cap covers. So these will just go pushed in. These are all done for the intake. And then start pushing in the exhaust lifters. So they're all said and done. I put more lube on top of the lifters and on top of the valve where the rock arm's gonna sit. That way it's less metal on metal contact. What the hell, man? Stop that lousy horn. You're interrupting my video. Okay, and they're all pretty much already lubed up. I didn't put it on the camera because I don't think anyone wants to see me lubing up or lubing these up. So I'm just gonna set them into place. Oh man, they're sleepy right now. Let me swing around the exhaust and start putting these in as well. So the assembly of the head's pretty quick. It's even quicker when you don't have to set the valves on, since I didn't really remove those. I think I should have, but it's a little too late. Now the other one I'm gonna lube up is this, the fuel pump roller for the turbocharged or direct injected vehicles. That way it's already ready to go as well, and I don't have to worry about it later on. Have that set in place also. So it's just free gliding under. Now they're all pretty much set. Well, it's gonna be time to install the cams on it. So I'm just gonna add lube in all these little sections where the cam's gonna be sitting on. That way, same reason, no metal on metal contact. I don't need a lot, just a bit. Just a bit. Gonna go ahead and set the exhaust cam on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice, like that. Then my new intake cam for extra fuel from the ZZP. Go ahead and set it on as well. And it's pretty much how it's gonna sit. So I gotta start adding these little cam cap covers. Just put lube on them as well. Set them into place and start fastening them down. Now you kind of want a nice even coat on them, kind of like this. That way it's all filled in and you don't get no metal on metal contact when you go to start it. So again, it should be a nice even coat like this. Okay, so they're all basically bolted down. All I have to do is start torquing these down and they're all ready and set to go. Now that I got my torque wrench, you have to torque all of these down to 89 inch-pounds. Alright, so they're all torqued down, ready to go also. I'm just going to need this last cap cover for the high pressure pump. Just add some lube on it too. Make sure this one will get placed right there. And these screws will also get torqued down to 89 inch-pounds of torque. As well as this cam cover cap for the end, and 89 inch-pounds of torque as well. That's a Jaguar? Nice. All said and done. The other thing I want to finish installing is the sensors that go on it, the cam sensors as well as the solenoids for it. The cam sensors, I did replace the O-rings on it. That way I wouldn't get any oil leaks coming from it. So this is how pretty much the head should look once it's fully assembled. Both cam sensors are in place, which would be that one, as well as this one right here. And both cams are in place. Both VVT solenoids are in place as well. The only thing missing from the head will be the cam gears, but those will go on once the timing gets set.